Good morning, everyone. Today is my fifth lecture of Mathematics 1, BTech first year. We shall study today conjugate of complex matrix. Conjugate of complex matrix. If A be any complex matrix, then the conjugate of complex matrix is denoted by A bar and obtained by the conjugate of each complex increase. Each complex increase are elements of the complex matrix. That is, for example, if A, start taking an example, if A is any matrix of order 2 plus 2, here is I, 2 plus I, 3 plus 2I, 5 plus 3I. This is the complex matrix. Just you want to find the conjugate of this complex matrix. Then, the conjugate of this complex matrix, conjugate of matrix A is A bar is equal to a matrix obtained by taking the conjugate of each complex increase or element of the complex matrix. Here is the complex matrix A, and each element of the matrix A are complex numbers. In the first row, you see here I, 2 plus I are the elements. In the second row, you can see 3 plus 2I, 5 plus 3I are the elements. These all are complex numbers. So, the conjugate or complex matrix A is obtained by A bar is equal to taking the conjugate of I, 2 plus I, 3 plus 2I, 5 plus 3I, and we find here minus I, 2 minus I, 3 minus 2I, 5 minus 3I. This is the conjugate of matrix A. After this, you can take some more examples. After this, we find there is a note that transpose of conjugate complex matrix A is denoted by A theta, that is A theta is nothing but A conjugate transpose of complex complement. So in this example, you can see A is equal to I, 2 minus 2 plus I, 3 plus 2I, 5 plus 3I. You find that A bar is minus I, 2 minus I, 3 minus 2I, 5 plus 3I, 5 minus 3I, and transpose of this. So, A to the power beta is equal to A transpose A conjugate of A transpose conjugates here. Transpose of this A bar matrix is minus I, 2 minus I, because transpose is nothing but transpose of the matrix is obtained by interchanging rows into columns. So here the elements of row are minus I and 2 minus I. This can be interchanged with the column, first column. So it is minus I, 2 minus I. And here is second row can be written as 3 minus 2I into column is 5 minus 3I. This is the transpose of conjugate matrix A. Let us define another matrix, unitary matrix. Unitary matrix is any matrix, complex matrix, complex square matrix. Any complex square matrix. Then the matrix A, the matrix A is said to be unitary matrix. Unitary matrix if A theta into A is equal to I. Identity matrix. This is A into A theta, where I is identity matrix. A to the power theta is the transpose of conjugate matrix A. Transpose of conjugate matrix A. Suppose, for example, so that A is equal to what upon root 2? 1 minus 1, 1 plus I, 1 minus I, and here is 1 minus 1. Is it a unitary? Is unitary matrix? Or it is not a simple example I am taking. This is this matrix A? Is this matrix A is unitary matrix? A unitary matrix? क्या ये जो मैट्रिक्स है वो यूनिटरी मैट्रिक्स है कि नहीं? Let us find. Here is two solution. Solution of this question. A is given 1 by 2. The first two element 1, 1 plus I. Second two element 1 minus I minus 1. Let us find A. Given matrix is A is equal to 1 upon square is 1, 1 plus I, 1 minus I minus 1. Then A bar, nothing but conjugate matrix A, conjugate of matrix A, and this is nothing but it is 1 by root 2, and here is 1, 1 minus I, 1 plus I minus 1. This is the conjugate matrix A. Let me find A theta. A theta is nothing but transpose of conjugate matrix A. Conjugate matrix A. So here you find 1 by root 2 and 1, 1 minus I, 1 plus I minus 1. To prove this matrix A is unitary matrix, it is to prove A to the power theta into A is equal to I. That is fine. Now A to the power theta into A. A to the power theta is 1 by root 2. 1, 1 plus I, 1 minus I minus 1. Again is A matrix is 1 by 2. 1, 1 plus I, 1 minus I, minus I, 1 plus I, minus 1. Let us find this product. So you can find here A to the power theta into A is 1 by 2, because 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is 1 by 2. And then when we take the procedure of multiplication, you will find, because this can be multiplied 2 cross 2, this is again 2 cross 2. The number of rows of first re-multiplier is same as number of columns of post multiplier. So the matrix is multiplicable, and so now the multiplication of this is a matrix obtained in the order of 2 cross 2. Let us find the procedure how to multiply these two matrices. I told you earlier. The procedure is row by column. So we first select first row of this matrix, pre-multiplier, and then we multiply with the first column of post multiplier. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 plus I, 1 minus I is 1 square minus I square. Now come to the first row elements multiplied with the second column element of post multiplier. This is 1 into 1 minus I, 1 into 1 minus I, 1 plus I into minus 1. So it is plus times, right here, 1 into 1 minus I plus minus 1 into 1 minus I, 1 plus I into minus 1, 1 plus I into minus 1. Here, when we select the second row, is multiplied to the first column of the post multiplier, 1 minus I into 1, 1 minus I into 1 plus minus 1 into 1 plus I. So it is minus 1 minus I, and the second row of this matrix, pre-multiplier matrix, is going to multiply with the second column of post multiplier. So when we multiply this to this, you will find here 1 minus I whole square, 1 minus I whole square, and minus 1 is plus 1. Let us find the resulting matrix. You can say 8 to the power theta into A is now 1 by 2. Simplify this. What is I square? When we multiply this, first rule, just let me explain further. A is 8 to the power theta is going to multiply with A. So here is 8 to the power theta is 1 by 2, 1 plus I, 1 minus I minus 1, 1, 1 plus 1 minus I, 1 plus I minus 1. 1 by 2 multiplied with 1 upon 2. The resulting is 1 by 2. Now we multiply the procedure of multiplication. First row is going to multiply with the first column. Here 1 into 1 is 1. And 1 plus I, and here is 1 plus I whole square. And here is 1 is going to multiply with 1 minus I. It is 1 into 1 minus I plus 1 is 1 multiplied with 1 minus I. 1 plus I is multiplied with minus 1. So 1 plus I multiplied with the minus 1. On the same way, when we use the second row multiplied with the first column, 1 plus 1 minus I is multiplied with 1. It is 1 minus I. And then after minus 1 multiplied with 1 plus I, it gives minus 1 minus I. So it is minus 1 minus I. When we multiply 1 plus I, 1 minus I minus 1 with the second column, 1 minus I minus 1. So it is minus 1 minus I whole square and minus 1 whole square is plus 1. And this, after simplifying this, you can get 1 plus 1 plus I square plus 2I. And here is 1 minus I plus minus 1 minus I. 1 minus I, 1 minus I minus 1 minus I. And here is 1 can see minus 2I. Minus 2I. And here is 1 square plus I square minus 2I plus 1. Again we simplify this 1 by 2. This is 2 because I square is minus 1, so minus 1 plus 1 has cancelled. It is 1 plus 2I. This minus 1 cancelled. It is minus 2I. It is minus 2I. And this minus 1 plus 1 has cancelled. It is minus 2I plus 1. And so we see that A to the power theta into A is not equal to I. What is not identity matrix? In this case, it shows that the matrix A is not unity matrix. Unity matrix. This I have shown, this matrix A is not unity matrix because A to the power theta A thereby transpose of conjugate matrix A multiplied with the matrix A does not equal to identity matrix, so it is not unity matrix. Let me consider another example. Let me consider another example. A is 1 upon root 2. 1 I minus I minus 1. We start getting this example. Then we find A bar. A bar is conjugate of A. So it is 1 by root 2. There is 1 minus I. It is plus I and minus 1. Let me find A to the power theta. A to the power theta is A bar transpose. It's 1 by root 2. And here is 1 minus I minus 1 minus I minus 1. When we multiply this a to the power theta with a, it is 1 by root 2 and 1 minus sorry plus I minus I minus 1. 1 by root 2 is 1 I minus 1. When we find this 1 by 2 minus 1, there is 1 I into and minus I square. This is I and this is minus I. This is minus I and this is plus I. This is minus I square. This is plus 1. So we find here 1 by 2. And this I square is minus 1. So minus 1 and then minus, that becomes plus 2. This I and I is 0. This minus I and plus I is 0. This I square is minus 1 and minus is multiplied, so it becomes plus 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2 is taken out. When you keep taken out from this matrix, you can find here 1 0 0 1. 2 has gone and the matrix is 1 0 0 1. So this shows that this implies a to the power theta into a is equal to I, which shows hence A is a unitary matrix. A unitary matrix. So there are so many examples by means of which you can show any given matrix is unitary matrix if it satisfies a to the power theta into a is equal to I. You can show easily. You can show easily also. We can show that a into a to the power theta is again I. And that's why this matrix is the example of a unitary matrix. Let me come to another complex matrix, symmetric and skew symmetric. Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix and skew Hermitian. Hermitian matrix and skew Hermitian matrix. Any square matrix, any square complex matrix, square complex matrix matrix A is said to be Hermitian matrix if is said to be Hermitian matrix. Actually, there is a small difference between symmetric matrix and Hermitian matrix. Let me explain. The word written for symmetric matrix is for those matrix which has real entries. Meaning hereby the matrix having elements as a real numbers, and in that case the same behavior of symmetric matrix is going to impose to define Hermitian matrix. I told you earlier, what is the symmetric matrix? Suppose A is a matrix and transpose of A is A, then the matrix is said to be skew symmetric. On the same way, when you define Hermitian matrix is also the same, but the elements of these matrices are complex matrices and complex numbers. So, the Hermitian matrix is applicable for complex matrix, whereas symmetric matrix is applicable for the matrix which has the real values, which has the entries real numbers. It is said to be Hermitian matrix if A transpose, conjugate transpose. A transpose is equal to A transpose is equal to A. You can say. Plus I score. Let to be Hermitian matrix if conjugate of A transpose is equal to A. That is, A to the power theta is equal to A. Where A to the power theta is conjugate of A matrix and transpose. It's transpose. For example, I can take an example. A is a matrix 1, 2, 3. There is 1, sorry, 1 plus I, 2 plus 3I, 5 plus 7I, 1 minus I, 2 minus 3I, 5 minus 7I, sorry. Then, when we take the transpose, first, whether you want to show this matrix is Hermitian matrix or not. So let me come to the definition of Hermitian matrix. A is square complex matrix. Here is all the entries of this are complex number. So it is complex matrix. Whether look at it is square because it has number of rows and number of columns are same. That is 3 cross 3. We want to verify if this matrix A is Hermitian or not. For this verification, you have to take conjugate of this matrix, and then after you have to take the transpose of that conjugate, and if it is the same matrix A, then this matrix will be the Hermitian matrix, otherwise it will not be Hermitian matrix. So let me explain the Hermitian matrix example, it is a Hermitian or not. For this purpose, we first find the conjugate of this matrix. So, conjugate of this matrix is A bar. This is conjugate of matrix A, and this is written as here 1 minus I, 2 minus 3I, 1 plus I, 2, 5 minus 3I, 7I, and 2 plus 3I, 5 plus 7I, and here is 3. This is A conjugate. Let me find the transpose of this matrix. That is A to the power theta is nothing but A conjugate transpose. What is transpose of A conjugate? Transpose of matrix I told you earlier. It is nothing but the matrix obtained by interchanging the row and into columns. The elements of row into columns. When we interchange the first row into first column, you will get here 1 minus I, 2 minus 3I. When we can interchange the second row into second column, here is 1 plus I, and here is 2, and here is 5 minus 3, 7I. When we interchange the third row into third column, you will get here 2 plus 3I, and 5 plus 7I, and 3. Look at the matrix you have taken. If this A to the power theta becomes equal to A, then this matrix is said to be Hermitian matrix. Whether this matrix is A, you compare the matrix given. In the first row, 1 plus I, 2 plus 3I. Here is in the first row, 1 plus I, 2 plus 3I. In the second row, 1 minus I, 2, 5 minus 7I. Here you can say, in the second row, 1 minus I, 2, 5 plus 7I. Third row, 2 minus 3I, 5 minus 7I, 3. And here is in the third row, 2 minus 3I, 5 minus 7I, and 3. So it is becomes A. And hence the matrix, the given matrix A is a Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix. Let me define the skew Hermitian matrix. When we look at the definition of skew Hermitian matrix, skew Hermitian matrix skew Hermitian matrix, any square complex matrix, any square complex matrix, is said to be skew Hermitian matrix, is said to be skew Hermitian matrix if A to the power theta is equal to minus A power. A to the power theta means A conjugate transpose is equal to minus B. This is the example of this is the definition of skew Hermitian matrix and Hermitian matrix I told you earlier. Now we come to uh, uh, elementary transformation of on matrices. We come to elementary transformation of on matrices. Let me recap the topic taught today. I explained unitary matrix and two more matrices with example. One is Hermitian and other is skew Hermitian. The elementary transformation the elementary transformations of matrices. The elementary transformation on matrices. Actually, there are some transformations which is going to apply on the elements of group as well as elements of columns of the matrix, and that transformations are known as elementary transformation. If you apply the elementary transformation on rows, so this transformation is known as elementary row transformation, whereas when we apply the elementary transformation on columns, then that transformation are known as uh, column transformation. So let me explain the following transformation. The following transformation applied to row, rows or columns of a matrix are known as row or column transformation. Meaning thereby, when you apply the transformation on row, then that transformation are known as row transformation. When we apply the transformation on column, then that transformation is known as column transformation. Basically, these transformations are called elementary transformation. So here we can say if we apply the following transformation, the following transformations on the elements of a row card, row elementary row transformation, elementary row transformation, and the same transformation, the same transformations applied to the elements of column, elements of column of a matrix are the column transformation, the elementary column transformation. Let me tell you what are the transformations. And the first transformation is the interchange of elements of a row. The interchange of elements of row, rows or columns. Meaning thereby, when we apply the interchange of elements of row, then this is the first row transformation. For example, you can say also Ri is going to change with Rj. Ri is going to change interchange with Rj. मतलब meaning thereby the ith row of the matrix is going to interchange with the jth row of the matrix. And or you can say Ci is interchanged with Cj. For example, if A is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, when we apply the transformation, R3 is going to change with R1, interchange with R1. We can get a matrix B as 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Meaning thereby third row of this matrix is going to interchange with the first row of this matrix. So the elements of third row will take place of elements of first row, and the element of first row will take place of elements of third row. In this way, we can say the interchange of elements of row. In the same way, we can find the interchange of elements of the column. In other words, when we apply C1 is going to change with C3, interchange with C3, we get a matrix C. You can say a matrix C, and this will be the C1 is going to interchange with C3, meaning thereby the places of first column will be taken by the places of the element of the third column. So it is 3, 6, 9, and the second column will have the same element, remain same, 5, 2, 5, 8, and third, the element of third column will be interchanged by the first one. So it is 1, 4, 1, 4, and 7. more transformations, elementary transformations applied, and we shall discuss tomorrow. Thank you so much for today.